I'm 680 News senior business editor Mike Eppel. Jobs data for September in from StatsCan today pointed to a growing Canadian labor market. In fact, the headline was the best we've seen this year. 63,000 jobs added last month. Nationwide unemployment rate down to 5.9%. Sounds pretty good. The details, however, were a little bit weaker than what the headline showed, because all of the jobs created were part-time. That's a bit of a troubling trend in the labor market right now. You want to see more full-time jobs created. They pay better, have benefits in most cases. But statistically, Stats Canada says it's the part-time variety of jobs that has been leading the way for the market, the labor market this year. Now, from a provincial standpoint, Ontario was the best performer across the country. 32,000 jobs added. Interestingly enough, the unemployment rate in the province went up a little bit because more Ontarians re-entered the workforce, confident they're going to find work, and the provincial unemployment rate at 5.9% matches that of the national average. Meantime, in the United States, the American economy has the lowest unemployment rate since 1969, 3.7%. They're talking about full employment in the States right now because there are 7 million unfilled jobs because of a skills shortage. So with that American economy continuing to grow, all the talk is that interest rates are going to continue to climb to keep inflation in check. Well, coming up on legalization day for cannabis sales across the country, October 17th, there could be an undersupplied marketplace. Talk is that the Canadian cannabis companies have had a, weaker or lower production rate for cannabis so far. They're already trying to supply the medical cannabis market. And the talk that there could be 30 to 60% supply below that of demand, according to a study by the C.D. Howe Institute. So the first part of the legal market could still see a lot of black market sales for marijuana across Canada. And we're going into a long weekend. The Canadian markets will be closed on Monday for Thanksgiving. In the United States, it's Columbus Day there, but Wall Street will trade. But a lot of Americans are taking a holiday, so it could be light trading volumes. Ahead of all of that, we saw a second day in a row where the Dow dropped triple digits, worried about interest rates going up, among other things. Also saw the price for Canadian oil trade at the lowest level ever against the U.S. market price. Now, that is going to lead to a little bit of a break at the pumps going into the weekend. Enpro predicting gas prices coming down a penny at midnight tonight to just below $1.30 per liter. From the 680 newsroom, I'm Mike Eppel for City News.